Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at SMT Nuremberg on the Scoop Studio, and I'm joined by Thomas from Mycronic. Thanks for stopping by. Always a pleasure to see you and chat. Last time we spoke about the acquisition of VI Technology. Now another acquisition. Tell me a bit about that and the strategy behind it.
Yes, basically Micronic in Assembly Solution has three divisions. We are in SMT, we are in Dispensing, and the third division we call Assembly Automation. So far we had in Assembly Automation only AI, and in this division we have a strategy to look for niche markets where we have leading technology players, mainly in high precision, high flex. So with AI, it's camera module assembly for automotive. With MRSI, it's ultra high precision die bonding.
Okay. And how did you find them? Were you looking for something in that specific area, or did they come to you, or how did that happen?
We don't disclose now in specific acquisitions how it was initiated, but we are actively screening the market. Because this is a diversification strategy also of Mycronic and Assembly Solution. And in this time it really fitted very well.
Yeah. And when you look at what's going on in the market, generally automation's playing a huge part of it, the whole software infrastructure's playing a huge part of it. How's the market looking for the whole of the Mycronic group at the moment?
Market looks still very strong. I guess when we talk to customers, it's basically all have the same issues to find people. That's basically the limiting factors. And that's why I think here also plays MRSI in. Where we can contribute is really software competence, line control, management, because also their machines ultimately are part of a full line. And that's definitely where we have to make it even more easy for the operators and our customers. So same amount of machines with higher throughput with less people. That's basically this ease of use where we are still working on very much.
And what about the dispensing side of the market? How's that market moving on?
I think the dispensing market is also benefiting from the big trends. I mean, we are all users of electronics, wearables basically, which need to be protected. So I think in Europe and US particularly, it's the coating applications which are driving it. And in all Asia, basically, it's more general coating and dispensing. So still going strong.
And the German market, we're at a German trade show specifically. What's happening here? What are people asking for in Germany?
I think maybe Germany is even a little bit more demanding and advanced in Industry 4.0 thinking. I think that's maybe the only thing which is differentiating the German market from any other. Others, I think it's pretty common.
Yeah, I think it is. I think those demands for, as you say, automation, better throughput out of limited footprint, that's really important to people.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thomas, thanks for stopping by. Absolute pleasure to chat, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you.
Always a pleasure.